It's bike night tonight at OCC. We have a guest.
Hello.
We're gonna take the street glide today. And I guess I'm gonna have to put the back thing on there for you. Oh, Hope, you gotta get my my cool jacket. Check it out. It's the Christmas style harley-davidson. Yeah? Kinda sick. Anyway, haven't been to bike night in a little while, so we're gonna give it a go. What's the temperature right now? Temperature check.
Like 56.
56 degrees, she says. Not too bad. How we feeling? Confident?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready? You're gonna be
I'm
cold?
ready. Let's go.
Okay. Let's get your little seat on. Seat back for Hope. And put whatever stuff you want in there. I guess I'm gonna rock the carbon fiber helmet I've been wearing. I love this thing. Huh? Put what on? Yeah, put your jacket on. For sure. It's gonna be a little chilly.
Yeah.
But really nice. I mean, sunset's kind of over, but look great over there. Hope's got this cool pink helmet. Kind of sick. Love it.
No.
What? You like the jacket? You just don't like the way it looks?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
not gonna wear it.
Alright. Well. No jacket for Hope.
I'm gonna wear it.
I mean, this isn't going to do much.
No, it's really not. So,
But part of the reason we're going is she wants to shop for a new Harley-Davidson jacket. So she can be cool like me.
we're gonna get matching ones.
Yeah. We'll see if we can get her
I'm gonna get the same one.
the prison jacket. But we're going to hop on my 21 Street Glide special and head to bike night at OCC. It's been a while. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll see some cool bikes, a couple friends, but let's do it. What do you think?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
You ready? You ready? You look cold. What do you call these things? Yeah. I like it. Hop on. A little chill in the air, but not too bad on this Thursday night. It's been a while since I've been to bike night, probably since November. And we got some really cold weather coming in this weekend in Southwest Florida. In Tampa, they're saying there's a chance, it's a low chance, it's like 10 to 20% chance of snow really early this, it's either Saturday or Sunday morning. We're hitting the low 30s and crazy wind chill, which is I don't remember the last time it snowed in Tampa. But this weekend is also the beginning of Gasparilla, celebration of our pirate heritage here in Tampa Bay. Usually they do like this boat thing, right? They got like the pirate boat and stuff, and I don't know how many people are going to be on boats in 40 and 50 degrees, so it should be interesting. I'm definitely not putting my boat in. How you doing? Good? It'll be great. I think I have a few friends that'll be here tonight. First time I'm wearing this Harley jacket. I really like the style of it, but I had to wait until it went on sale. I think it started at like 300 and something, but I believe I got it for $2-ish. Really good windbreaker. Not much for warmth, but I do have an armored hoodie underneath of it. But really not too bad tonight. I really like this helmet so far. I'm using this mount, this Dango mount that just clips on. Pretty impressed. The only problem with this mount is that I have to remove my chin guard, which you get a little bit more wind up in that chin and neck area. I don't mind it at all. I had a couple questions on my microphone on my last video. I use a DJI Mic 2. I'm not a fan of GoPro, so I'm in the DJI ecosystem. I got the Action 4 that I'm using now, and Action 5. I do use the Osmo Pocket 3 sometimes. Big fan of DJI. I think the microphones just make things super easy to use. Jump over the bridge here and should be up near OCC soon. It'd be interesting to see what the crowd's like tonight, being a little cooler. It is a dry night though, so maybe there'll be some people here. And I'm really hungry too, so I think we're gonna get some food, probably at OCC. They've got some really good food. So it's interesting how Burt's and OCC kind of work together on all their stuff. They got a good cohesive partnership. Not seeing a ton of people here at all. The heck? Usually this whole lot's full. Where is everybody? This whole place is full usually. Huh? You cold? Oh my goodness. I knew you'd be cold going over that bridge.
I was like, what the hell are you doing?
How was that part of the ride?
It was cold.
Little chilly.
And then my back was on the backrest.
Uh-huh.
Ice cold.
Well, we don't have much of a turner out yet, so we're going to Burt's. Ooh, new paints. They say BVO, it's like Burt's vehicle operations. Kind of crazy. Some new paint jobs here at Burt's. So you got some different, and it's not a wrap, that's paint. That might keep you warm too. See, something heavy like this. Let's see the back. So, kind of a copycat. I think she's trying to copy me a little bit.
Nah. It's all right.
Nice. You gotta try it on though.
Got some Christmas sweater.
One in the whole fucking store.
Say what? Say what?
What's up? How's it going?
Let's check out your bike. Where's it at?
Right next to you.
Alright. Where's everybody else at? Nobody came to bike night. What's up, buddy? Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
This is Donnie. He's bikeless right now.
Yep.
Oh, Donnie's his Hope.
Hi.
Donnie. He wears harley-davidson stuff. He doesn't ride one though.
All right. I'm getting a Dyna in like 2 months.
You look like a Dyna, bro.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Check out Kyle's bike. What year? 21? 20.
2019.
2019 FXD R.
Oh, is this your helmet?
Clean. And the helmet prop in the back is sweet. So he's got the back seat now.
Nice.
Yeah, there's like what, 20 bikes here. You guys should ride together. All right, brother. Ride safe, man. At least you don't have to go too far. There we go. Not so much of the jacket. Give me a little spin. Ready to roll. Whew. Well, that did not go the way we thought it would go. A little too cold for people to come out, you know. I'm sure if you're watching from the north, you'd be making fun of us in Florida because it's really only about 50 degrees. But nobody wanted to do bike night. It's okay. We had some food. I had some hog wings. Hope did not find a jacket, so she's sporting my striped Harley jacket, which is like 8 times her size. She's like 4'10". I don't know. Either way, look, might not have been the most fun bike night, but it's always fun to get out there, and it's like the one night a week you can meet up with friends and just relax. You don't really think about work and other things in life, and I think that's what it's all about. You know, everybody has different jobs and schedules, and you don't always align, so it's nice to be able to spend some time together. And it's usually bike nights on Thursday nights, so a little bit better. Okay, I just checked and it's 50 degrees. I know last time I caught some flack for wearing my Carhartt jacket and I was all bundled up. Well, look, 50 degrees and I'm in a hoodie, just some leather gloves and some riding pants. I did have that Harley striped on, but you gotta make sure the girl stays warm, you know what I'm saying? That's the more important piece. I give her kudos for hanging in there. And if you're up north where you can't ride right now, hey, I'm gonna be doing a lot of it, so make sure you tune in. We do have some fun events coming up, obviously Daytona in a little over a month. I'm planning on going that first weekend at least. I might go the second too, but as it gets closer, I'll look and see what the weather's supposed to be. You never know, it's a toss-up that time of year in Florida. And usually up there on the northern east coast of Florida, Daytona is about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than this Clearwater, Tampa weather I'm used to. And I'll take 50. 50's okay. When you get down in the 30s, and that's where it's just not as enjoyable. So, headed back now. Pretty tired. I had some hog wings. They weren't very good. And they actually comped me mac and cheese and chicken fingers to go because I was not satisfied with my meal. Good people at OCC. Next bike night we go to, I think we'll get a little bit more action. But I appreciate you for watching, hanging out for a little bit, going for a night ride. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you have any events up near you. Hopefully they don't all get canceled with the snow. icy conditions. Pretty dangerous in a lot of parts of the country right now. So hopefully you're staying warm, staying inside. And if you do ride, remember, as always, keep that rubber side down. That's gonna do it for tonight's video. I appreciate you. Y'all take care. Peace. Sheesh. It's a little cold at highway speeds. Time to haul ass home, boy. It's okay. Almost freaking there. Good Lord.